Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to manage your credit card payments with YNAB. If you faint when your credit card bill comes in either through the letterbox or into your inbox, then you're not using it correctly. I'm a big fan of credit, but only if it's used correctly. So please allow me to show you how YNAB manages and will help you stay on top of your credit card payments simply and easily. So I want to start here on this screen with my net worth. So I've given myself a net worth of $20,000 and I want you to remember that figure. You can see that I don't have any debt and I have two accounts here. One is my credit card while the other one is my current account, and I have a net worth because I gave it to myself at the beginning of the month. So there are three ways of spending money. One, you can spend money in cash where you go to the bank, take the money out and exchange that cash for goods and services. Another way to spend money is you can do a cashless transaction. So you use your debit card, which takes the money straight out of your bank account that minute, or you can use your credit card, in which you make the exchange for goods and services, but the money doesn't leave your current account. So my credit card is not extra money. It's simply a way of spending money that I already had planned to spend. It was in my spending plan. I could afford it, and I actually wanted the thing in the first place. So let me just show you how this works. So I'm going to make two payments. I'm going to use some on entertainment and I am going to buy some food. So I'm going to make the payments from my credit card. Now you can see that when I come back up to my spending planner budget, nothing here has changed. I have transferred $1,500 into my credit card fund. So it's like moving money from one jam jar to another. Now this is the real key. So when the bill is due to be paid, I'm going to pay it. And all I'm doing is transferring money from my current account into my credit card account. So it's moving money from one jam jar to another again. Remember, it's not extra money, and when I pop back up to my budget, you can see that all the money has been allocated. I haven't created any debt and my credit card balance is now back at zero. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.